like to introduce the three features of washing machine. Before starting the washing cycle, users can adjust the water temperature by choosing between hot, cold, or specific temperatures such as 30 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, and so on. Besides, user can also set the desired duration for the washing machine. After all the settings have been selected, just press the start button to begin the washing cycles.
For the lower cover, we have a spring for support the machine. So the function of spring is that can be easy for customer to take the clothes. If the machine stop and customer want to take the clothes in the washing machine, the spring will up and customer will take the clothes easier.
Our washing machine have 4 caster wheel at bottom, easy move to anywhere anytime. Besides, in this washing machine have lift automatic. It will rise up after finishing wash, so consumer can get the cup easily.
The washing machine drawer is also known as the detergent drawer. They have the left and right sides are typically used for different purposes. The left side is commonly designated for the pre-wash and the right side is typically used for the main wash detergent.
The specific challenge that students face is not enough washing machine and inconvenience for students that injuries to the lower back. We have finally chosen the best washing machine concept after screening and evaluating every feasible design idea. This laundry tank skillfully tilts in the direction of the user, bending the waist less and making it comfortable to insert one's trousers. This design orientation can be of great help for those who have knee and back problems.